name is Christine. This is my Super. Woo! So for the past year, we haven't done a video on this because I kind of wanted it to be done in the last video that I put out. That would be, because this would be the 6th video that we have of it, and it pretty much is. Still going to have lots of work, but I think that's the nature of the Jeep, is that, you know, you're just emptying every pocket, that they're never done. The build's never quite finished. But hopefully, fingers crossed, this thing is going to be awesome out on the trail. So here is the recap of the last year that we've been working on this thing. Obviously, we've seen lots of progress on it. I hope you enjoy it. Done. Got a little dance party going on there, dear? Yeah? What you working on?
I'm working in the overhead console.
They're painting.
Gonna work on the roll bar.
Yeah?
Same bar that I got from Jeremy.
And that is, what is that for exactly?
It's gonna replace that aluminum head banging overhead console.
Oh my god, we hit our head on that so many times.
I got a couple of new scars on my melon from it.
Welding it straight into the roll bar though.
I'm not gonna bolt them. We're just gonna weld them. That way it won't move.
Cool.
Because we discovered with there's quite a bit of flex in here without that down bar. And that's
right.
why we need to make sure that we tie these two together.
Yeah. Trust your welds. This is month 13 of this build.
Has it been that long?
13. Yeah.
I had to take 2 months off. Daryl
didn't take 2 months off.
Daryl did
I
not
kinda
take
did.
2 months off.
Month 13. Just put that together.
Yeah,
What's up, buddy? Look at what's going on in here. You prepping the inside for some rhino lighting? What? How have you guys not washed this thing yet?
No, the mud's staying on there.
No, the mud can stay on there. We've talked about this. Tyrion and I are just the gophers. Go for this. Go for that. It's an important job? It doesn't feel like an important job.
What do you mean? Getting parts while we're working is important.
I think they're just saying that so that we feel better.
I really love when they give us a nut and bolt and say that we need one like this, but
But not this. Yeah. again.
That's an airplane.
That's pretty sweet.
We're in the final push here trying to get Turd done. 2 summers of this now. And Daryl's like, I need little hands. That's what I'm working on right now. Final push, right Keith?
Oh yeah, I'm helping.
Get back to work and start standing.
No, sorry.
Look for a puppy or?
Yeah. Well, that's something I didn't think would get installed. What are you doing?
Putting in the party lights.
All right. What are you doing?
Sparkle.
Oh, so something a little more productive?
No. Got the safety jack so it fits. Made the bolts to put it in the old seatbelt mounts.
Oh, okay. This Jeep, this is the high lift jack bar. It's going on the back It's gonna look like Christmas, you guys.
They're just so frenetic. It's just actually a task. Yeah. Instead of like the cooler.
High left jack.
The hammer.
You spin me right round, baby. No. Yeah, that's the one I'm on.
Okay.
Is this actually happening? Is this thing gonna like run on its own accord?
No.
Like, is it gonna be driving?
No. Just give it a button.
Winch. This is my controller for my TV.
What winch does it have on it?
9999.
65, 42, 81.
742.
742.
Yeah.
Hut, hut.
711.
82, 74, 50.
5, 3, 4.
I think this was rescued from a junkyard somewhere, wasn't it?
We got it from a good friend, Ivan.
Christine.
Ivan. Right.
I thought you said it was working.
It's sparked down here. Did it?
Here.
Maybe it's... Look at how fast that is.
So yeah, it doesn't spool out very well because all you have is a disconnect from the motor. That's all you get.
Winch plate mounts and holes.
Get so much feedback with the hood closed because they can't pick it up on the mic then.
Who gave you a PA?
I gave me a PA.
Okay, let me hear your train horns.
Holy you have earplugs in?
No? Should I?
Stand outside the garage.
You feel it in your chest? Oh my god!
Bracing for impact.
You guys ready?
I then ripped around them and cut them off.
It's bearable if you pluck your ears.
It finally has a windshield. Paint's all done on it. Bump stops are in, winch is in, fuel cell is in. All of this big, heavy, long list is all done. Obviously there's still lots of stuff that needs to be changed and switched out. There's no stereo right now. There's no speakers right now. There's no music in this thing at all. Dwayne will not let me wash the mud. It's driving me crazy. It'll still need, we have a tonneau cover to put on it because we live in Alberta. A rear back panel to put on it. And this will eventually need to have some kind of cover put over it as well. But what we need is this to be ready for our MAC event. If you're unfamiliar with the MAC event, go into our videos. You will see that there is lots of years of us doing Mudbud's Adventure Challenge. Just a week of wheeling and fun. And this thing has been in every single one of them. So it has to go. It has to get out. There was something unsettling about the way that it stopped and about how fast Dwayne got out of the Jeep. What's wrong? No brakes. Pump the jam, pump it up. Terry,
What was that last part? Pardon? Holding.
this led to brake bleeding. Over and over again. You're bleeding brakes too now, eh?
Again.
So you bled brakes?
Yep.
I bled brakes, and now Dwayne has.
Well, yeah, that was a little bit frightening when I have no brake.
They still feel soft, eh? Yeah. Ultimately, The calipers were on the wrong side, making it impossible to bleed the brakes properly. After all the bugs were worked out, it was time to hook it up and take it home. So much has been accomplished over the last 22 months. This has been a complete restore and rebuild of this rig that we all love. Originally a small project, but became a huge undertaking. None of this would have been possible without the help and hospitality of Terry and Daryl. Friendships grew, memories were made, and many shenanigans were had. And the Chihuahuas led us into the pack as well. So this day has finally come. Turd is going on its way home. It's been 22 months in the process. We actually didn't think that this day would actually get here.
We didn't either.
Neither did they.
Might be going wheeling.
It might actually be hitting the trail next weekend. What a process. Hey, thanks for watching the video. If you like this video, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. We're going to see you out on the trail next time. Okay, bye.
I'm sure that's not my phone. I couldn't carry a tune if someone handed it to me.
It's wobbly. Jesus.
Okay.
Yeah? Jesus.